Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about a day off in my life. So by title you must have known already that I have got day off today. So I just came from the night duty, but I can't sleep because I have to buy a few things for my kitchen because I need to cook food. I just got ready. This is my food and I have worn this jumper. I don't know, so I'm on my trouser already. I need to go buy onions. So today's weather is also really good. I know that it is warm, but it is so warm as in it is sunny outside today as well. So I think it is good day to go out to buy things that I need. I need onions, I need potatoes. Planning to buy pork meat in Nepali store, so I'm taking you guys with me. So you must have known that there are few shops nearby which sells food that I like Nepali store sells pork meat, and we have got Indian stores as well, but I'm not going to Indian store today. I'll go to Nepali store and then I will go to Lidl to buy potatoes and onions. So I have just got ready. I'm going to go like this without any makeup. Look at my face. I know that I have got all the scars and everything, but this is all due to the pimples and everything, but I don't care now how I look, and it's okay. So yeah, let's go. Let me put on the chapstick. It is dry. So yeah, that's that. So I'm going to buy a few things. Let's go together and I'll show you what I do in my day off, what I cook. Hopefully my battery doesn't die this time because it happens always. I don't charge whole night. Today also at work it was busy. I couldn't concentrate on charging my phone and using my phone. I know that we got a break, but I just want to sit while I am on break. So yeah, let me put on chapstick and we'll go together. Keep on following my channel and please do like, comment, share and subscribe. It is so sunny outside, so I'm wearing my regular suit, got my bag, and what else? Look at the sun, so pretty. I don't know if it is focusing or not. As you see or not, it is shining in here. Why it is not focusing? Yeah. So yeah, this is me. I'm thinking I'll take you through the park. And what else? So I'll show you our side of the park. Last time I went from the residential area. This time I'll go through the park so I can show you how big is the park. And after I come from the work, I make sure that I go to the park to enjoy the sun and the beautiful view. It's really pretty in the morning always. And excuse my English. This is my first video that I will be speaking in English all the time because friends at work, they do watch my videos, but they are from different countries and they keep saying that please make videos in English, even though I feel shy to speak English in the videos. So yeah, that's that. Look at the sun, loving it. So how is it going on? Do like, comment, share and subscribe. I will try to be as regular as I can, but you know the work, how hectic it goes. And look at the birds. This is called the Ravener Park. I don't know if you are able to see the birds or not. Oh my god, there are so many birds always in this park. I love how we are in city, but we have got greeneries all over the places, and all the places has at least one park. So yeah, look at the birds. Oh my god, as you can see the white things, it is called frost, not snow. So yeah, so we can go from here as well. I'll go from middle so that I can show you. Look at the view, the sun is there, the birds. Let me click pictures of them. That's the way where I came from, and you can go from that way as well. So this is our side of the park. So last time I showed you other side where we are going through and reach to the main road from this park. Okay, let's go together. Oh my god, I love how it is warm and sun is rising. I love the view. Look at the birds. Oh my god, they are just enjoying the sun. Let me click their pictures. Look at those birds enjoying the sun. So many birds, they are just sitting there. Look at the sun. Even though the temperature is -2, it's like so sunny. And in summer, you know, the park gets filled with dogs and people around, children playing football in this park. It gets really interesting and fun to watch. In summer I used to come daily. In winter I just had to go out, and if I am at work, I make sure that when I return from the work, I at least come to see. Oh my god. It's okay. Oh my god. Oh, I got scared. A dog came running to me. Oh my god. Yeah, if you guys have watched my last video, that is in my own language, where I fell in the snow, not snow, frost. I didn't realize that it was frosty. I stepped while talking on the mobile. It was so funny, and that man had 2 dogs with him, and he was like, oh, are you okay? You know, here in UK everyone says, are you okay, are you okay? It's like common thing, like I also say, oh, are you okay? So yeah, I'm really loving the nature. You know, I'm that kind of person who loves greenery. My favorite color is also green, and I love nature. So I make sure that I go around to enjoy the nature. I love how people are maintaining the parks and trees, and they make sure that it's clean. Like in our country, even though we have lots of natural beauties, but we don't care to maintain them. We don't even like care if it is kept clean. Yeah, now I'm realizing that how there are many forests, there are many hills, mountains in our country, but I have never been to many tourist area back in our country. So I will make sure I visit this time, or like whenever I go back to my country, you know. So it is still frosty here because the sun is still not here. So last time I fell over there, so I came away, and then on that place there was water running through, and I fell on that water. Look how frosty it is, and this has to be my favorite shoe because this is waterproof and water doesn't get through. Oh my god, look at the view. Oh my god, I'm loving it. Let me click the picture.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I'm shooting this in ultra wide so that I can cover all the trees, all the greeneries, and we are near to the Heathrow airport. Many planes and helicopters, they keep like moving around, flying in the sky. We see lots of airplanes going around, flying in the sky. That's pretty. So guys, I don't know what to say, but I really don't enjoy the winter weather, how it is so cold, and I'm speaking random English. Oh my god, I need to be careful in this kind of thing, you know. Last time I got slipped over. Look how slippery it is. So yeah, I'm walking on grass. There is you know, paved road to walk in. People do walk in the grass as well. Look at those trees. While in summer I will make videos. There are lots of park like this. But it is so mushy. Anyways, my shoes are like, oh, my shoes are waterproof. oh my god. I hope I don't get inside this mushy thing. So yeah. Oh my god, look at the sun. So yeah, god. But in summer it doesn't get green because people walks on top of the grass, and many children come to play. Oh my god, excuse my English, guys. This is my first video where I will be speaking English, as I already told you, so please, I'll try to be more fluent and good next time. So yeah, what else? Yeah, that is also other side. Behind that there is main road. So after I finish the line in here, I will reach the main road. What I'll buy first? I will buy eggs. We can buy eggs in any places, but there is this one specific place where they sell groceries. That is not Indian. I don't know, that is like Polish or European shop. So they got the eggs in carrot. I really love that. Like in our country, how we buy eggs in carrot. I'll show you. So yeah, it is still frosty. I don't know if you are seeing the white thing or not, but you know, the snow shines when sun comes on top of them. So I really loved it. Yeah, that's the way where we can walk. So this was the park where I went last time, and yeah, oh my god, I am out of my breath. I don't know, I can't walk long because I'm already tired by night shift, and because my friend will be coming late at home after her shift, and then she will be hungry. I make sure that I prepare food for her and I eat as well. And what else? Okay, so here is the main road thing that I told you about. Look at the trees, look at the road. Let me click the picture. It looks beautiful, isn't it? This time also I'm going to go inside the children's playground and click picture so that I can show you my full outfit. This time I'm out of breath. I don't know if you can see. Let me open the door. Oh, look guys, how I'm opening this one. Okay, this is how you open. Okay, yeah. It is still wet. Shall I keep my bag on this and play the swing? What do you think? Shall I? I think I should play.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
That's it, guys. Let's go. I click pictures, I click videos. Look at my bag. I'm walking carefully so that I don't fall or sleep. I think I'll just buy egg first, and then I will buy meat. I'll go to buy some onions, potatoes, and then I'll get back to home I don't know if I will walk back to home. If it gets heavy, then I don't want to walk. So yeah. And what else? Now I'm near to main road. Carry my bag. This is an empty bag. This bag is lovely. So I'm in the main road now. I know the bag is empty. Oh, it's so funny how I'm speaking to myself and I don't know how I'm looking. I don't care. So yeah, let's go. Now the shop is near. Let me go to that store. I'll show you where I buy eggs. This is how I look in sun and this is how I look without sun. The thing I like most about UK is cleanliness. Even though they say that it is really polluted and dirty, but compared to our country, it's like really clean. They manage all this. Yeah. So they recycle. This was the Indian shop where I went last time. There are few other shops as well. This time I'm going on this shop. They have eggs. Got my eggs. You know what, they charge per bag in some stores, like in the English stores they charge for the bag. So as I told you, this is our main city, main chowk, I don't know, main town of our area. So yeah, chai wala is there, chicken guys, everything, whatever you wish for, even Subway. And I need to cross the road. So cold. So if I take bus, that's the way. And in 2 stations you can reach to my station. So you need to press it here. It says wait, and there is this red man. So when that man turns green, you walk. Oh. It's taking forever. It didn't turn green, but people walked, so we also walked. So Iceland is also like the grocery and everything where you can buy. Oh, now it is beeping. So yeah, got to my thing. So I like how station has got like that, where it shows that what number bus is coming and where it is going. So yeah, look, that bus station goes that way, and the other bus station which I showed earlier, that goes towards my station. Okay, I'm near to my Nepali store. Let's go inside. I hope this time their card machine works, because last time they didn't accept my card because their machine was not working. And you know, this place, it is like the bus station, so they park the bus here. Look, those lines, those are airplanes passing by. From the Nepali store, got my meat in here. Now I'm going to dinner to buy a few other things. So cold. Oh. This is the way. And look, another plane passing by. So we have got the KFC as well, and there is the Costa, that is like coffee store, like Starbucks. I don't think we have got Starbucks in our area. Okay, so I don't want to take risk. Let's press in here. We have pressed it or not. So that way, from where I go to my workplace. Let's go. It is legal to play casino and slots and everything in here. They do have lottery. It is legal to play lottery in UK, so you can buy lottery tickets weekly, and if you are lucky, you can win the lottery. Look, so close, isn't it? The plane is flying. So from this way we go to the Ealing Broadway, so which is like another main city of our place. Oh my god, it is kind of slippery. I'm being careful. So basically, people here, they carry like this trolley to carry their groceries. If I had one, I would definitely carry, but I don't have. We are near to Lidl. Let's go inside. Like always, let me show you flowers. We take a trolley. Need to buy tomatoes. What I'm buying is onions. Potatoes and onions. Taking these big potatoes. So big. Let's see. Which one is good? This is good. Carry more. I need to take the tissue roll. Used to have big packs. What's this one? No. Let me see. This is the kitchen roll. This one. I think I need. Done with the groceries. I can't take the bus. I can't walk. There are so many buses, but they don't go to my place, so let's wait. So happy. Bus is coming, E9. I'll go on that bus. Okay, here it is. The bus is here. Yay, just got out from the bus, so I need to walk a little bit from here as well. Trying to cross the road and walk a little bit, and then I'll reach home. And I'm not going to cook now. I'll cook when I get home because I'm feeling really tired and sleepy. Yeah. So that is the way where I came from. My hand is hurting. I don't know. So that's the way that I have to walk through, and I will reach my home. So happy. I don't know what I have got, but I'm getting tired. Let me cross the road. Yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope to make more videos. Thank you.